Good morning everyone, this is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. Today as well I am here to continue topic preposition. And for the last few days we have been discussing this. So today as well I have brought something new for you. So now at first let's talk about preposition up. It has got two meanings, it has got two uses. First, a higher place, and second, increase. So now by having some examples I just make you understand. Please just take a look. He is climbing. He is climbing up. He is climbing up the tree. He is climbing up the tree. Now sentence number 2. They are climbing. They are climbing the mountain. Climbing up the mountain. M-O-U-N-A. To a higher place. To a higher place. So my dear students, now I have taken out two examples for making you understand in the sense of to a higher place. Let's see the first sentence. He is climbing up the tree. जो ही है वो पेड़ पर ऊपर की तरफ, ग्राउंड से ऊपर की तरफ चढ़ रहा है. They are climbing up the mountain. There is a mountain, एक mountain है. They are climbing up. जो they हैं वो उस mountain पर ऊपर की तरफ to a higher place चढ़ रहे हैं. So I hope you understand it. Now let's take some other example. Now the price, P-R-I-C, the price of petrol. The price of petrol is up again. The price of vegetable. The price of vegetable is up again. This time it is in the sense of increase. So this time, my dear students, I have made you understand in the sense of increase. इस बार बढ़ने की सेंस में. The price of petrol is up again. कि फिर से जो दाम है, जो कीमत है पेट्रोल पर वो बढ़ गई है. The price of vegetable is up again. Now similarly कि जो वेजिटेबल पे जो प्राइस है is up again, मतलब बढ़ गए हैं. Now let us move ahead. Instead of. In place of. के बजाय के स्थान पर. Now my dear students, this time I have instead of. In your previous classes also, you must have been taught by your teachers, and they must have taught you even the proper use of instead of. Instead of means in place of, के बजाय, के स्थान पर. Now let's have some examples, and I'll be trying hard to make you understand. Please just have a look. Like take hot water, warm water. Take warm water instead of. Instead of cold water. Number 2, learn English. Instead of. Training. Take milk. Instead of. Instead of tea. Use pen. Use pencil. Use pencil instead of pen. Instead of. So my dear students, please just have a look. I have taken out 4 sentences by using instead of. That means in place of. हिंदी में मीनिंग क्या होगा? के स्थान पर, के बजाय. Take warm water, गर्म पानी पिए. Instead of cold water, right? मैंने कहा अब जब तुम्हें ठंड लगी हुई है, you are suffering from fever, you are suffering from cold. So I suggested, मैंने कहा take warm water instead of cold water, कि ठंडे पानी की जगह गर्म पानी पिए. I have seen some students they keep cramming sentences, right? तो मैंने उनसे कहा learn English, do it practically, use it practically, feel it practically. Learn English instead of cramming. कि उसे रटने के बजाय, रटने के स्थान पर उसे आप सीखो. Do it practically. Now next, take milk instead of tea. Use pencil instead of pen. So this time as well, I hope you must have understood the use of instead of. So my dear students, I have made you clear the use of up and the use of instead of. So I hope you must be bringing it in your daily life, must be using in your composition, in your essay, in your paragraph, and in your daily life as well. So thank you very much for being here, for understanding uses of up and instead of. So thank you very much.